Trading recap of June 10th. Overnight, we saw price rally down very, very strongly. So for the past like 3 days, we've lost like 10-20%, something like that. It's crazy. But this morning I was kind of skeptical on going on sells. However, we do see price retrace a lot during its downward momentum. So we do know that price is not just going one straight leg down, and it's actually creating structure. So we could be confident to look for sells. And this morning we do see an entry. So this morning we do see price end up creating a pool of liquidity, and we do have CPI coming out pretty soon after market open at 8:30. So I am kind of skeptical on entering now because CPI up, down, sideways, and moves crazy. So I'm not trying to be in a trade while CPI happens. And we do end up seeing CPI do this, which is pretty interesting. So we push up very strongly, but we don't sweep the liquidity. And that's my A plus setup. If I don't see that, I'm not entering. So we don't see price come up to sweep the liquidity, but we do see price come back down, then come up, sweep the liquidity. I wasn't at my computer at the time. Again, that's on me. I just wasn't at my computer. I was eating. And yeah. So I think I didn't enter because I didn't have confidence. Like I left my charts willingly because I just didn't have confidence that price was gonna do all of this and then come back to my zone and actually create my A plus setup. And that's on me, honestly, on not trusting my edge, knowing that if we do see this happening, it's a very high probability setup, and I just didn't have confidence in it. And that's on me again. So this is the A plus setup I did see. However, I didn't enter because I think I was a little rattled from yesterday, considering price did the same exact thing and I missed my entry. But I need to start journaling my emotions more before I even open the charts so that I don't let emotions from the previous day transfer into today, which dictates the rest of my trading day and week, honestly. So I need to take more accountability with that and just be more systematic with the way I approach the markets instead of just getting on and saying I'm just going to watch the markets. No, if I look at the markets, I need to see this exact setup for me to take a trade. If I don't see this exact setup, then I'm not trading because it's not my A plus setup. It doesn't meet the criteria for it to be the highest probability trade. And this trade did meet the highest probability trades. However, I didn't look at my charts because I didn't think it would happen, and that's my fault. So yeah, on to the next.